Okay, good day everyone. It's Total Investor here, everyone's favorite YouTube investment channel. What we normally do here on this particular channel is discuss, review investment and trading opportunities in the stock market, crypto, and also the commodities. Today, we are going to be looking at opportunities in commodity trading. Okay, now we will only be looking at charts, and we'll be reviewing what I see in terms of opportunities based solely on technical analysis using those charts. Okay, the first one, before I go any further, obviously, I have to tell you that these are just my opinion. Everything is done for educational purposes only, and this is not and should not be considered as financial advice. Obviously, I'm not your financial advisor. So now we can go forward. The first one that I'd like to review is the US dollar index. This particular contract will be the September 2021. And what we see here, just using the only indicator that I have here basically are the two moving averages. They are exponential ones, 4 and 9 day. And they gave pretty decent signals coming down, going back up, and a buy over here, a sell all the way down with just one minor blip here. It caught the bottom, rode it all the way up, and now it's pulling back. Okay, so we got most of that move up, down, and up. Okay, going from around 89.6 to 93, so we're talking almost 400 points on each move. Okay, decent move. The last one happened at around early June. That gave a buy signal, and just recently it sold. This move went up about 33.5 points, which would have represented about $3,500 on this particular contract. It has pulled back because it reached some resistance here around 93.40 where it had its previous top, and it's pulled back. Okay, we've got some kind of support at around 91.6 and 91.4. Okay, that should hold. If it does, great. It could give us a buying opportunity. Of course, I will only be looking to do so once those moving averages cross. Okay, so this is on my watch list. No position at the moment, but looking to get in on the long side. We'll see what happens. Next is corn. What we have been seeing here over the past couple of months is consolidation from that advance that many of the grain complex has experienced, and it's just been moving up, down, and forming a triangle. It has to break out of this triangle before I'm going to look to initiate a position. So just watch that for now. There could be an opportunity. The way it looks like it's going right now, it looks like it could be on the downside, but we will see. Just be patient on this one. Okay. The other grain complex is the oats. It moved up. It was in a bull trend and then consolidated between 350. 350 was originally the resistance level. Once it broke out, it became support here and here, and it just consolidated again between 400 and around 350. It's a 50-point channel, and what we normally do is that we will add that amount to the upside. So this should have been around 450 as the target. It actually exceeded that, 465 roughly, and now it looks like it wants to pull back. So we have not gotten the signal as of yet in terms of the moving average crossover, but it does look at that it does want to pull back, and of course that would have been a profit taking, so liquidating the longs and taking some profits. So if that were to happen, just stand aside. Next is canola. This one is somewhat of a similar pattern to the corn. We had our original up move, consolidated between 780 and 660. That would have given us a target on the breakout to the upside. of what, 120, so around 900. It did exceed that, and you know, it looks like it does want to move down. It got the sell signal. I believe it was as of Friday, so that is your sell signal to take profits on this. We've got some minor support here at around the previous high, around 840. If it breaks that, we could be seeing around 740. That would be the target. Okay, let's just wait on that one. And finally, well, actually we got two more. There's a half dozen I want to discuss. This one is lean hogs. These two indicators, the 4-day and the 9-day exponential moving averages, have done very well with the lean hogs. Giving a buy, a sell here, a buy, sell. The sells didn't work out too well, simply because it was in a bull market. Okay, when you're in a bull market, what you should do is wait for the buy signals. Don't trade the sells. Okay, so buying, get out. Buying again, just liquidate your longs. Buy again, and then liquidate. Okay, so going long in bull markets, going short in bear markets. What we've had right now, we've had a pullback. That would have been a profitable move if you had taken that this signal here. Again, it crossed here on this particular day. That would have been a buy, and unfortunately it didn't last too long. Certainly not as much as I had expected. It gave us a sell signal on, I believe it was Thursday, and Friday was the confirmation. So we would have been out of this particular position, and what I would do is stand aside for now. Finally, lumber. I spoke about lumber several times in the past, and it gave the original buy signal that I did speak about this particular day, where it gave us a bearish engulfing pattern, and I said that that could be the top. It was the top. Came back down, and I said once it breaks below this support level, it's going all the way down to around 700. It did touch 700, gave a little bit of a bounce, and then came down even further, down to 500. Now it's sort of consolidating between 700 and 500. We have to wait until there is a breakout on this this particular zone, 500 to 700. How long it's going to last, I don't know. We will let the market tell us what to do. Okay, again, keep in mind that I do not have any positions, long or short, on any of these. So I'm not talking my book here, and I don't even have any positions in the derivatives, like the options on the futures. Okay, so these are all on my watch list. They look like they could be making very significant patterns and tradable. These are basically tradable ideas. Once we get the appropriate signals. So they are now on my watch list. Watch them daily, and if I do take a position, I will let you know, and you do what you want with that. Okay, so again, everything I say is for educational purposes. These are not buy and sell recommendations, a recommendation to do anything. If you have any questions, please down below on commodities, these charts, or even on crypto or stocks, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. Very few people do that, but it just allows you to be notified by YouTube when a new video comes out. So down below this video, there's a big red bar that says subscribe. Click it, you'll be subscribed. Okay, and with that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.